Welcome back to Quick Easy Veg and welcome back to Instant Pot Saturdays. Black beans are a great addition to any plant-based diet. They're very high in fiber, high in protein, high in vitamin D, and a lot of minerals and potassium. One of the best things about having dried beans versus canned beans is that they take up less space, they're easy to store, and they don't go bad. But one of the problems with dried beans is that you've got to soak them or cook them for a really long time before you can eat them. Normally you want to soak them for between 6 and 8 hours, or if you're going to cook them straight from dry, you got to cook them for 6 to 8 hours. With the Instant Pot, you can do it in about 40 to 45 minutes depending on how you like the beans. First things first, be sure and rinse the beans and check them for any foreign items. What we're going to do is we're going to be adding 2 cups of beans. That's about 1 pound. To that, we're going to add 3 cups of water. Once we've added the beans and we've added the water, now's the chance for you to spice it up a little bit. If you're doing a Mexican dish, you can add Mexican spices, or however you'd like to do it, or just leave them plain. I'm going to be adding a little bit of cumin, some chili powder, and some oregano. Not much, just enough to give it a little bit of flavor, since I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to be doing with this. We're going to set the timer for 35 minutes. That's going to leave the beans well cooked, but there's going to be a bit of liquid in there as well. We're going to let the steam dissipate naturally, and that takes about 10 minutes, and then we're going to let it sit in there for another 10 minutes, making it total 20 minutes after it's done cooking. As you can see, the beans come out great. They're cooked. There's still some liquid down in there. I've left it this way because I'm going to be adding it to rice and a few other things. But you can add a few extra minutes to it, and that'll reduce the liquid in the bottom and cook the beans a little bit more. And that's it. That's quick, easy black beans from dried in only less than an hour. I hope you enjoyed this video. We hope that you'll subscribe, give it a like, and let us know what you think. If you make black beans in the Instant Pot, we'd also love to hear how you spice them up while they're cooking. Thanks again, and we'll see you again soon.